we'll be needing all of your energy, of course, this afternoon because we're celebrating our customers who inspire us to go beyond the usual and deliver experiences that are bold, fun, and yes, extra amazing. But before anything else, allow me to introduce myself. Ako po ang isang Koreano na host dito sa Pilipinas na gusto maging isa sa mga pinakamagaling host dito sa Pilipinas. Minsan cute, minsan magaling kumanta, minsan magaling magtegalo. Pero ngayon, ako ay Watsons. My name is Kyumin Kim and I'll be here for you guys for the extra amazing shopping playground. Can you please give myself a big round of applause as well? Thank you very much. And another big round of applause as well to Watsons, please. Yeah. And just for a heads up, make sure to visit our extra amazing Gashapon machine and keep your phones ready and phones and cameras ready, as well as we have so many surprises, so many performances coming up. And don't forget to tag us at WatsonsPH on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and at Watsons Philippines on TikTok using the hashtag Watsons Extramazing Surprises. Ano po ulit ang hashtag natin? Hashtag Watsons. Ulitin po natin, hashtag Watsons. That's correct, plus points. 감사합니다. So ready na kayo? Ready na kayo? Alright, so let's get the party begin here in our extra amazing shopping playground to officially start the celebration. Let us all welcome one of the driving forces behind today's extra amazing launch. Please give it up to our gorgeous Miss Jowee Liao, the Director of Health, Finance, Property, and Store Development of Watsons Philippines.
Good afternoon. On behalf of Watsons Philippines, I'm delighted to welcome you all to Watsons Extramazing Surprises PR event. To our brand partners, Watsons Club members, media friends, influencers, loyal customers, and the entire Watsons community, thank you for joining us today as we take another bold step towards redefining the shopping experience for health, wellness, and beauty. Today's event isn't just about new promos or exciting performances. It's a celebration of our continued commitment in creating experiences that go the extra mile for our customers. Our goal at Watsons has always been to go beyond just offering a wide range of products. We want to give our customers an experience that is extra, from the way they shop to the rewards they receive. More than the surprises and promos, this event reflects our deeper commitment to every Filipino to look good, do good, and feel great. Through our extensive range of health, wellness, and beauty products, and with over 1,100 stores nationwide, plus the Watsons app and convenient options like express delivery and click and collect, getting what you need to stay healthy and confident has never been easier. And doing good doesn't stop at self-care. At Watsons, we're equally committed to making a difference in our communities for the planet through sustainable choices, accessible healthcare, and initiatives that uplift lives. Because our customers deserve more than great deals, they also deserve moments that are rewarding, delightful, and truly memorable. That's why we also invite everyone to sign up to Watsons Club members to enjoy more exclusive benefits for everyone. And starting last month, we launched Extramazing Surprises e-raffle. This is for Watsons Club members to get the chance to win up to 1 million Watsons Club points in our biggest e-raffle yet. And that's not all, my friends. K-drama fans, we've got something extra special for you. Shop at Watsons and you can win a free 1-year View Premium subscription to stream your favorites, your favorite series anytime, anywhere. To join, simply spend 1,000 in single receipt, whether in-store or online, and you're automatically eligible for the raffle from May 22 to August 20, 2025. And here's more good news, friends. When you shop online and spend 1,500, you'll receive 1 month view subscription pass instantly. No raffle needed. These are more than just incentives. They are an invitation to experience the Watsons difference and to feel valued every step of the way. We want to make every Watsons visit feel like a celebration. And with this campaign, we're making that happen. So, to everyone here today, thank you for your continued support. Together with our partners, we look forward to making Watsons experience not just better, but truly extra amazing, helping more Filipinos to look good, do good, and feel great every day. Thank you, and let's enjoy the rest of this exciting launch.